What you grinning about? What you grinning about? You ain't happy. You ain't happy, are you? You ain't happy, are you? Ah, you're not happy. What you grinning about?
Hey, Chad. Where's your tape?
What you grinning about? Huh? You're not all that happy, I bet you.
Drove him up the road, he was right behind
Look
her.
how warm, look, that deer's warm.
Yeah, it's steaming. All of them do. I shot him when he jumped the road.
It's still warm inside?
Yeah. They'll do that for several hours after shooting.
You need to let him lay for a couple of hours, cool off a little bit.
Oh my gosh.
That's Boo. He looks like an old man sitting there.
You don't.
Boy, I don't know. I got 3 or 4 different tapes.
I don't crop see that flying that,
Be quiet and let him watch the
flying that rock. Red.
Oh, Bubba, see, I did some posting for
Mama
him.
likes
Put your
green.
belly in. Put your belly in.
Purple.
Man. Too tight.
Too tight.
To show you. Yes, I'm gonna show you off. I'm gonna show you off.
Oh, man, look at that.
Papa, how you lay? Sit up there. Sit up. Sit up.
Okay, everybody? And me and Chris, don't go through. Don't mind laying there, boy. Don't go through.
That's his favorite way.
Did he get my shot today? He was gonna feel good, doesn't he? He got a shot. How much did he weigh now? How much does he weigh? How much does he weigh?
Hey, Bud. Hey, Bud.
What you got covered up, man?
Hey, Bud.
You covered up?
Hey, Bud. Come
Betty?
down and hit your papa, Bud. Hey, Bud. Bud. Bud, give me a rug.
Why'd you wear your pants? Thank you. We have done big trail. Either 13, 12 last week.
Gained 4 ounces this week.
Really? You want to test it?
You got another cup of Joe in there, huh? Or was that all of it?
Where you going, Bud?
He's backed in the corner. He just had 3, Chad had 3 cups of coffee this morning.
Where you going, Bud?
That's one thing that might make you so hyper is that caffeine.
That camera makes you look fat. What kind of shot did you get?
Polio and DTB. I'll leave your trouble in these flavors right on the
Did you back it up there? Oh, what's Chad? We got a real good one here now, talking about spaghetti.
Oh, Bud. Look at that old Bud. Look at that old Bud. Look at that old Bud.
Watch it, though. He'll change his expression.
He couldn't pacify.
Get out, baby. Fix it.
Well, you need your mother.
Oh,
Randy, sure? Is that it?
You need my baby. No, it's gone. Oh,
He forgets now what he's looking at.
Now, won't you watch this? He drank George's coffee, huh?
Drink it all. Drink it all.
And that's good to say.
What are you doing?
Now, what boy, George really gets him good at this one.
What are you eating?
I bet it will.
Hey, Carmen. Did you get my letter?
Being wanting from Chicago.
Here you go.
Your mother's been very kind to me. I have to laugh at it myself, but I guess you could call me a little way. I remember one Sunday.
We didn't give it a whole lot of gas, did we?
See that picture? Your husband and I were riding just to the top, stretching our eyes as far as the man's vision. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make a speech.
Let Daddy go glue your other one, okay?
Hey, man.
So we have
What
two
about
of
it, Ty Wop?
them, okay?
Old Baldy? Old Baldy.
Yeah, we just ready.
Old Baldy.
Now this is what I want you to do. Pick up 4
Oh, boy.
baskets of glazed fruit.
You got your piece of wood? Put it in your pocket while ago? Yeah.
Come on, crank. Hell, I done lost.
Isn't that pretty? Wish Mr. Rice could see you now. Can't you see me? I'm gonna have me one, Mr. Rice, just like yours. Dude, I'm gonna build me one. But he did exactly what he told me to do.
I gotta do
for a land.
There's a light line on the other end.
That's not fast this thing comes back.
Right now. Dad, let's get behind the
That's
car.
not fast.
Oh, it's gonna crash, kid.
Oh! 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 Go around. Go around.
That wind blow it right on that way. Let's hope it don't crash. Try it again, huh? See if we get to watch it crash. That's sort of still. I know. Get behind the car. Watch it. There you go. Oh, boy. We're good, Banner.
He's got to turn like this so you can see out of the cockpit.
That wheel turned back. I think I'm gonna leave it that way. But with it leaning back like that, it can't turn on you. So see, it's laid back some. That damn stuff. That stuff feels like triple ball linseed oil. It feels like. But you see how slow it come in under power. Well, I come in down low, then it throttle back up. It go ahead. You sure leave a smoke trail there.
Yeah, it low off the end. At least
I'm getting vertigo.
For landing mode. Broke the prop. Didn't hurt.
Mama, let me. I don't want.
How long y'all plan on being gone?
You do.
Yeah, we have to meet you, we have to be back by certain time.
Oh, God. Well, by 4 o'clock.
Okay.
Can you be back by 4 o'clock?
Well, mate,
Where's it at?
am I interrupting?
What you doing? Talk to me.
Pennies for the lady.
Pennies for the lady.
What's Penny for the lady? Penny?
That and put it on manual focus.
You don't think it's really focused when you get to land.
Right, it won't focus unless you hit something. It won't focus on that blue sky. That's something, though. They take your computer and hook up to it. They must take a flat stick. I don't know what kind of wood that is, that oak. Finish it out. That plastic comes out.
You know, a piece of oak, I think that thing would be heavy.
Think so? Yeah, maybe birch or, this plan has got moss, plywood, birch and basswood. These may be better.
What's the matter, Mom? What's the matter, that old man? What's the matter, that Taiwan? Ota, what's the matter? What you fussing about?
Well, let's see. How many landed we made?
6 or 7.
I think I landed it 5 times a foot, took it off 5 times.
6 anyway.
What's this man fussing about?
We did it about like it was.
What's he fussing about?
Wind on bottom of
Code just ended up
Huh?
back.
Oh. What you drinking there, Mom?
Lemonade. Like it?
You're having your,
Try a little bit of salt on it. That just makes it taste pretty good, I guess.
you're having your, fire with Fox.
That's what happened, mine was fine, I was picking.
Started ironing it up, I put took it blue. Blue 6 minutes on it.
So I need to look at this. Thank you, Dave.
I think we'll be better. You got your landing gear tight now?
Yeah.
Down fast.
Trying to put out and yoke it up. If I can get one done.
It went dead and I'm not gonna get hit. Oh, please don't die. Oh, pretty good.
Oh, he's getting fancy.
faster than you think, ain't it?
Darn right it's moving fast.
Pulling on up, too, ain't it? Somebody was flying.
Dog.
Went dead, too. Went dead.
Keep that altitude. You get it down your back.
You way above the.
That's what he thought the last time. You need to keep the altitude when you get down your back. So you get better control of it.
2, 3, 4. Well, good.
See?
Be able to get it back on the trip. On a wheel.
I just flew a little farther than that. Hey.
Program on the road.
Hard to catch up with him.
It ain't got near the power of that prop.
Huh?
Way in the sunset.
Raise it up higher.
Get up in the clouds, you'll lose it. Woo! Down on the cloud, it's going through the cloud. God. See, gets his hands out now. Well, looky there, boy. And look at the mosquitoes. Good Lord. Whole bunch of them.
How about that?
See them mosquitoes? Look at 'em.
How about that? Slick, boy.
I'm telling you. This thing's a bite.
Whoa, whoa.
There's a hole right there.
What are you eating, Boo?
Tell Papa what you're eating.
What are you eating?
What's in your sack?
What is it?
Tell him real loud.
What are you eating, Boo?
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna fill it up.
32. Huh? Yeah. After a few minor repairs. Oh, he gets some air under his wing now. Well, we're going to try a little engine off. Coming on in here. Come on back on the strip. Hey. Hey, you made one with the engine running. Whoa, that wind got up under that wing. Yo, Dade.
Another dead stick.
I don't think he's ever got.
GFL Incorporation's here.
Look like a bum either. That I had on my glasses and my hair hadn't been brushed all
Okay,
day.
sometime you get dressed up, call him up and say, come give me a picture.
Talk to Papa.
Ooh, looky here. Say, I've already done a fashion show. See you? I just modeling the latest kids. Yeah.
What about it, Growler? What about it, Growler?
Let me get your. Put your on yourself.
Boy. Can you growl?
Oh, he
Huh?
growl at Papa, growl at him.
Hey, man.
Watch your TV.
You better watch that. You better watch out there. Ah, what it? Oh, what it? Huh? Well, get Papa.
Love ya. Nothing, love ya.
Come on, Howard, I'm just kidding.
She just.
God, this relationship, it defies all the laws of nature.
No, it doesn't. This is not what you think. We're just very good friends.
Hey, Ty man. Turn around here. Hey, Ty man. Turn around here, Ty man.
This is my friend Carter, and
Turn around here, Ty man. Turn around here, Ty man. Turn around here, Ty man. There you go. There's my
Yeah,
mom.
we got Memo. Don't do that.
There's the Ty man. There's the Ty man.
Hey. Hey, Ty.
Just
hanging around.
Yes, now, on that night, we were
Look at the bath, he's blowing his
It was shot during the experiment. It was just
Be careful.
gases that surround Centauri.
Boy, he was dreading something coming.
He knows.
Lost control of the laser.
He's awful close to that side of the door.
Of course, when redirecting the laser beam,
Well, I can't hit it no more.
so it hit your planet
Yeah, he
instead.
could if
Hit
he
my
made
planet? How about hit my living room?
Watch how he do
Talk
his
about
mouth.
invasion of privacy.
Look at that. Jamie's doing that. You watching
He
Jamie?
knocks anything he do.
Dragged you through space.
Blow bubbles, Jane. Go. They'll do that too.
come out that night, you saw a single feather fall.
They bubbles.
You weren't aware that the rest of you had landed in that alley just
Hey, Jamie.
miles away. Any questions?
Yeah. Where are my pants?
Dunky. He just been trying to talk.
Back on board that laser.
Hey,
All you
Booger.
have to do is hit the reverse lever.
What you doing? Booger?
Right?
Hey, Boog.
Consider
Jumping Jack Flash.
Wait a minute.
You want some more cream?
That was all. Hey, boy.
God, give me a little assistance.
Tighten the knot.
Time to tie.
What'd you say?
Tie.
What'd you say?
Sentimental guy.
Me.
Boy. Hey,
He goes to the record. He just bounced.
Tyrone.
I do keep
You
wondering.
growling?
That's it. He could turn in that little tube. That's where he got that growl from.
It's making it very hard for you to leave.
TV.
He said, just got me hanging around. He just bouncing. One thing about High, she says when it gets hard to watch. Your mama took Papa's picture of himself.
We got a picture of Papa. Well, that kind of picture doesn't go on TV. Hey, bring Ty's bear back and sit
Yeah,
right
put it
back
over there on the walker.
Get that fancy picture down there.
Where's your cool dude sunglasses at? Hey, boy.
They made me in Papa's truck.
Charles Everett.
There's no buttons, no Velcro, sir. I think the suspect's stuck this is like inboard, sir. I think he's for real. If your grooves are finished, go. Ow! 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 I don't like a word with those so. You got a car, Doc?
What's wrong with me? There's the back gate.
Good, there's no cops.
But I don't have a gate key.
You got a foot, don't you? So step on it.
Remember that thing comes out of his mouth? You still like a couple more weeks to really enjoy that. Yes, you do.
I need on. Just rubbing it.
Oh, this is good.
I forgot what.
Cajun stuff.
No, I don't want kickback to it there. Kid, you put a 15-inch prop on that, can't you?
Hot.
That's a bad. It's flying there.
Kind of sound like an airplane, don't it?
Landing, it's gonna be interesting.
Why, it'll land. It's got to come down, ain't Miss Joey? Saying nothing. He's scared to
I gotta
listen.
concentrate.
Open it up, Kent. If you can do that, you can open it up. That's too slow for it. Timing right.
I'm gonna bring it in for a landing.
No problem.
Go down there and line up with that pole, with that ball.
Yeah,
down
you
there.
lined up that ball down there.
That's what he
All
done
that-
forward. He hit the house and go up.
It went dead. Oh!
It didn't hurt nothing.
Just them folks is in it, don't they?
Take that and play it back to him. He can see where he made a mistake on land.
It's real tough to see it.
Tell you what, I imagine this is pretty tricky.
Peppo, are you taping?
Get them folks out there and see if they're all right. Hang off. Huh? Well,
Quit that.
what's the matter with you, girl? Hmm? What's the matter with you? What's the matter with that old girl? Well, the camera on, we'll have a picture. Yeah, there's Mama waiting to get in the water. We went through this once, but I didn't have the camera on. This is 27 break. There's fish just waiting for us out there. Oh, yeah. We're going to go right over there to that treetop and catch us some fish. Well, I've heard of being short of drivers, but this is a little bit ridiculous, isn't it? What's the matter? Huh? What are you doing there? Huh? You get her done? Well, all right, crawl up there and go to work. Crawl up there and go to work. Quit laying around here. Well, pull up there. Huh? Pull up there and go to work. You ready to go to work? Well, you better get started. Yeah. Why not? Well, open the door. Well, we've had a little disagreement over wages, and he's already quit before he started. Just can't depend on labor these days. You're not going to go to work?
No.
Why not? What, I'm not paying you enough? Huh? Well, look here me here in the face and tell me that. Look here. You're not going to do it?
Yeah.
Tell me again. What's the matter?
Not a no one.
What? Are you mad?
I'm still right there.
Are you mad?
No. I will go work. I will.
We'll go get the truck then. I'll take you home.
No other home.
Go get the truck and I'll take you home.
And I don't want to see me on TV at my house.
Well, put your hat back on. You look better with it on.
It's cold.
Oh, put your hat on.
It's cold in there.
So tap off the boat.
In the side bowl?
That's good, isn't it? Then you've been being them Moss baby. You've been sitting on her lap.
I don't see me on TV.
And
Where'd you
then
go?
they-
Mall.
This is what I said hi.
Step out here where I can see you.
Other way. And then look at Papa.
Is that too pink?
It's good. They like it pink, it's meat likes it a little done.
You're right.
Just right. Yeah, they like theirs.
Oh, hoppy hop. Hobby hop. Hobby hop.